We are here today at the ICCA.
Yep.
For what?
For the World Food Championship.
The dessert competition.
Happening right now. We've got 10 awesome cooks.
Broken them down into 2 groups, 5 each group, and they're going to be presenting at the end of this to 7 judges. Imagine the pressure. And like, not any judges, guys. You know how Cucina operates.
If you guys know this, you've seen this last year. We sent the burger competitor to Dallas, and now we're taking the next batch in November again.
In this episode, we're going to introduce you to 5 of our contestants. Walk with us and let's go have a chat with our contestants.
I am Valerie Brown, and I'm the Regional Agricultural Counselor with the USDA at the U.S. Consulate here in Dubai. And we are so excited to be partnering with ICCA and Cucina del Sol on this World Food Championship and My Food Story competition.
I'm Yasmin. I'm here at this amazing competition to represent Petit Chose, my little baby company. I'm very passionate about recipe development. I'm not a chef, and I created something called the baklava. So it is a layer of filo pastry on a meringue with lots of nuts, and I've used all of the American nuts and fruits.
My name is Saima, also known as Food Snobette on Instagram, and I'm super excited. This is my second time taking part with Cucina del Sol. I love desserts, I bake a lot, and I'm super excited to be a part of this.
My name is Rayan. I'm Lebanese. I'm 28 years old. I'm a content creator, artist. So this is my dessert. It's a deconstructed lemon tart on a bed of lemon basil. I love the flavors together, like basil, lemon, vanilla on a buttery crust.
My name is Diva, and I'm representing Varat Tupai, the edible luxury. I'm a self-taught baker, and it felt like this MasterChef competition on another level. For the first time, I felt like there's a lot more talent out there, and we all joined together, competing, helping each other. Super, the facility was amazing.
My name is Francisco Sala. I'm from Argentina. Very excited about this event. It's actually a very nice idea. Actually looking forward to try all the dishes, not only present mine. But today I'm cooking a classic Argentinian alfajor de maicena, a traditional Argentinian cookie, not very popular around the world. So I'm here spreading the word about it.
We got the best judges, the best chefs in town. I mean, we're talking about global standard chef.
My name is Wasim Orfari, and executive pastry chef in the Orfari Bros.
My name is Chef Marwan Sardour. I've been doing pastries since a very long time.
My name is Carmen Rueda. I'm the head chef at Bricks, which is a restaurant only for dessert.
Five minutes left. Final 5 minutes.
Are you ready? Whoever is ready in 4 minutes can bring in their plates.
It's a very nice dessert to share. It's very messy. The meringue will be chewy. The baklava is crunchy. You just dive into it. It will fall apart. Enjoy it, and hopefully it will make you happy.
It's deconstructed because I don't like things to be perfect. I'm not perfect. I'm trying my best to figure my way out, and that's why it represents me in a way.
I also believe it's simpler to make a chocolate dessert, so I did not want to go with a chocolate-based dessert. And it's a very earthy, lemony mix balance, and I love balanced desserts, so that's what it is for me.
love how the content they took the flavor of their whole country and they create something out.
We're done. We're done with
The first round.
With the first round,
Had 5 contestants.
and the food was amazing. It was quite tough, very difficult, by the way, to choose.
I don't know how the judges are going to be able to like really score.
Yes, yeah.
But they've been walking around, they've been observing everyone.
They've
so
been
really-
refereeing.
They've been refereeing.
Yes.
Stay tuned. This was the first round of 5. Next up is the second round of 5, and then they're all going to come together for the finale, where we're going to choose the top 5 leading us into number 1, the winner.